welcome back to my channel. For today I'm going to do a special unboxing. It's a very big parcel. I think all of you will know from the title upstairs. So let me unbox for you. For my last video, you saw the difficulty trying to cut all the plastic on the packaging. So I think I need a knife. So if anybody have any suggestion for pocket knife or very small knife for unboxing, can suggest in the comment down below. So this is the item. So you may wonder what is this? Actually this is a shoe that is a collaboration by Paper Bunny and Superga. Paper Bunny is actually a local company that sells stationery online. So you can actually go to the Paper Bunny to buy all your stationery such as books, pencil case, all that. So now let's see how the shoe look like. So this is what is inside. It comes with the bag. It's quite soft. It's made out of cloth. And also this is the shoe. Yes, this is the. It's actually look like the normal Superga shoe, but they have the stars and the Paper Bunny logo and the codes here. So there's actually 3 adult models and 1 kids model. The one that is there's one is really sold out. Only left with the 2 models. It is like one is plain all white with blue, and this model. It is still available but limited sizes left. So this is the other pair. Actually this is the second collaboration by Superga with a local company. The first collaboration is actually with Love Bonito, which is it's the same model that they do. Yeah, but it's like slightly cheaper. For this is 139.90 cents. Yeah, for the Love Bonito is 89.90. So it's slightly cheaper, but it's similar. But for Love Bonito there's 4 adult design. For Paper Bunny there's 3 adult design and 1 kids design. So this is how the box is look like. Actually I also have the Love Bonito, but for that actually I was lucky to get it on Carousell because they were sold out of my sizes. So this person was actually selling it, and I don't know, I just scroll on Carousell, suddenly it appeared on my time feed. So I decided to purchase from her, and that's how it is. Okay, the picture is up there. I will show you the picture here of the shoe. The box is similar box, but it's actually come with a tote bag, but the person actually didn't sell me with the tote bag. But it's okay because I have nothing to use for the tote bag. So this is how the Paper Bunny box is look like. So this currently due to the virus, I will do very limited video, but most of the video will be indoor, and I try to do more videos in the coming weeks. Hopefully I can do more videos soon. So I hope you will subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Bye bye.